Hello everyone, and welcome to Advanced Synthesis with Pharmaceutical Applications. I think by now you all know me, but I will introduce myself anyway. I'm Dr. Emilia Bertolo, and I'm a Principal Lecturer in Chemistry here at Canterbury Christ Church University. I'm also the Deputy Section Director for Natural and Applied Sciences, which is the section in which the chemistry program is sitting. I would like to welcome you to this final year module, Advanced Synthesis. I wanted to tell you a little bit about myself. Hopefully you might already know all these things, but just in case, you probably know or remember that I'm Spanish, although I've been living in the UK for over 20 years. My background is inorganic chemistry. I have a PhD and a BSc in chemistry in Spain. I started as an inorganic chemist, but during my PhD, I moved into organic synthesis, and I was heavily involved. My PhD was heavily involved with organic synthesis, which is why I tend to pick the more organic focused modules, such as inorganic and organic chemistry in level 5 or this advanced synthesis at level 6. If you have looked at the timetable for the module, we have two very distinct types of sessions. We have some online sessions, and those are 2 hours, and we also have weekly 1 hour on-campus tutorials. I've got here written down our online sessions are on Tuesdays between 9 and 11, and the on-campus tutorials are on Wednesdays between 11 and 12. They're very different types of sessions, and I'm hoping that with this setup we cater for all your needs. The online sessions are more similar to what you have come accustomed in the second year. There are sessions in which we will mostly be working on problems or discussing papers. You will need to come prepared to the sessions. I will expect there will be some time for a little bit of revision of theory, but in general, I won't have time to cover all the content from that you're going to get from reading papers that I will recommend, book chapters. There is also recorded lectures. So I will expect you to be prepared to those sessions, and you will get the most out of it if you do your reading and watching videos beforehand. And that will set the content for those sessions. They will be mostly organic synthesis workshops. The Wednesday tutorials that we will have on campus are a little bit different. In those, you will set the content. There are question and answer sessions. So I won't cover new material, but I will answer any questions you might have about the module. Questions about the assignment, an exercise that we didn't have time to cover in an online workshop, and you want to work with me on solving. Maybe a session or an exercise that we did cover in the session and you did not quite get it and you want me to go over it again. So the questions about theory that you have watched one of the recorded lectures and you are not clear about, you will be the ones setting the content for those on-campus tutorials. If you look at the information on the timetables and across the different blackboards, it does say they are bookable with the lecturer. Because of the small size of this group, which is smaller than the size of the room, you do not need to book the on-campus tutorials. You will simply turn up. We will all fit in the room. So that's one thing. I will email you every week telling you in which room the tutorial will take place, but you can also check in unit timetable searching by the name of this module. As usual, you are very welcome. I hope you know me by now. You're very welcome to organize a tutorial with me or drop me an email to discuss any questions you might have. I'm available for online tutorials, and those need to take place either on a Monday, a Tuesday, or a Thursday. I'm also available for on-campus tutorials, face-to-face tutorials. If you want one of those, we need to book on a Wednesday or a Friday, which is the days where I'm going to be on campus this semester. So this is all from me by now. I'm looking forward to seeing you in our first session in a few days. And in the meantime, if you have any questions, just drop me an email. Thank you very much for watching.